with a bucking horse, and each one of the cowboys had to stay on the horse for 8 seconds. And
tough time in your life, and then you come back, which is almost impossible. I mean, it's like you're.
Or as I'm walking out to my car, or he's walking out and I'm coming in.
People to say that they did it. You know, little.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my
It's a delight to have you on, and
Thank
please
you.
come back anytime you want.
Can I plug my website in?
Please do.
Hey folks, check out my website, www.atelston.com.
to hang out, like when you're hanging out, you know, just really relaxing and taking in your thoughts. Do you like to go to a coffee shop?
With science, and Michael Jackson told us that we only use about 7 to 30.
Done a Zoom before?
I remember someone wrote that when I did Hollywood Squares, because it was right around when things were a little.
I've never had more fun.
It's amazing, you know. Having fun is cool, you know.
I just no, this is fake. This is a fake. It's plastic. So that's my.
Hush puppies. I know Sunday brunch specials, and I talked a lot.
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging and
You ready?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.